Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a little tiny haul for you of some small business unboxing-y loveliness that I thought I would share with you. I've had these little things sitting on my desk waiting for me to unbox them for quite a while, so it'll be a nice little bonus for me. I've not opened these at all. So this first item comes from Etsy and is from Crafting Cat UK. So being a UK creator myself, I like to support other people who have UK small businesses, and also obviously there is the benefit of saving money on that postage. So this is what I have ordered from Crafting Cat. I spent just £6.50 on a couple of little samples because I'd not used their putty before. So I've got a little thank you card. Thank you for supporting small business, and it's Crafting Cat UK, www.etsy.com/UK/shop/Crafting Cat UK. And there's all of the details there. So they also have a Facebook group, which I didn't realise, so I'll go and check that out as well, and YouTube Cat's Diamond Painting. So she says, thank you for your order. I'm genuinely excited about every order that I receive because a lot of planning, effort and testing has gone into every item I sell. So thank you for making my day. Please join my Facebook group. I occasionally run giveaways. If you've bought any putties, please note these are not for eating, however delicious they smell. I love that. If you've got any questions, please reach out to me. Cat. That's lovely. And we've got some information there on how to use her putties. So I picked up Autumn Walks and Believe in Magic. This is where I fail at describing this scent to you, but oh, I can smell that from here. It's beautiful colour, and there's a tiny little sprinkle of mica sparkle in there. Oh, that's really lovely. There's a freshness and an earthiness to that. That's really nice. And yeah, I shall look forward to trying that out in my pen next time I refill. And I couldn't resist getting Believe in Magic. Oh, again, we've got a lovely bit of iridescent sparkle in there, and we've got lovely purpley, pink, blue colours. And oh, that one does smell good enough to eat. That is, it's like vanilla-y. There's definitely, oh, look at my nails matching. It is like a vanilla, white chocolate, sweet shop. It's not what I expected when we talk, when you think of magic. I was thinking about something maybe more herby, maybe more musky, but I like these. These are lovely. And so I would recommend, if you are maybe new to putty, wanting to give it a go, then getting something like these where, they were £2 each, and then I plus postage on top of that. So yeah, I was pleased with these. So the samples are great if you are just wanting to give putty a try for the first time. Like I say, you get about 2 grams, which is plenty. I find that I don't change the putty in my pen nearly as often as I was changing the wax. So these will last a good while. And I like that we get information about how to use it if you are new to that. So I will pop all links, of course, down below. Next item came from Wish Designs, who I found on Facebook. I was looking for some planner bits and bobs. As you know, I love my planner, and I treated myself to some little bits. So I'm loving this pink inside box. That'll definitely get reused. So it says Pretty Things Inside, Wish Designs. Let's just cut that bit open. can't actually remember what I ordered. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my my original purchase. So I ordered a days of the week sticker sheet, a month's sticker sheet, some washi tape, a mystery item, and 2 more washi tapes. So let's look at the washi tapes first. So I've got my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday washi. These were sale items, so these were 90p for this washi tape. Bargain. I got this one, which is journal words, so it says things like little things, notes, today, reminder, important. You can't see that, it is not in focus. There we go, it's a little bit better. So plans, goals, tasks, to do, little things, notes. This one has got nutcrackers on. So those were the 3 washies that I ordered. I'm guessing that this is my sticker sheets. So I ordered the days of the week sticker sheet and the month sticker sheet. These were 60p each, and you get 2 lots. You got 2, yeah. So you get 2 lots of each. Yeah. So days of the week, months, and 3 washi tapes, plus 2 mystery items. So I actually don't know which of these are my mystery items, but oh, sorry, and that washi tape, that's the, so there was another washi tape, which is just purple check washi, just like that was 75p. So 4 washies, 2 sheets of stickers, and 2 mystery items. The mystery items were £1 each, and it just says could be stickers, washi tape, enamel pins, or notepads, any item from our shop. That's the fun, it's a mystery. So I have received a little wrist strap with a little clasp on the end. Got a little bookmark here that says Hello Pumpkin. I've got, this looks like a little bracelet making kit. Very cute. And some stickers. So pretty things inside, it says. Oh, I love me some stickers. So these ones say, we've got Happy Mail, Snail Mail, hello. We've got a stamp, and we've got a mailbox. Lovely, they will definitely get used. And then a postcard that says, you are doing great. Thank you for your order, for supporting a small business. We hope you love the products as much as we love making them. And then a little discount code. So excellent stuff. Very nice indeed. More than happy with these. I got the sticker sheets that I wanted. I got 4 washies. I got some little extras, some lovely stickers, and it was only £8.65 including postage. So for trying out a new company, I think it's well worth checking out their clearance aisles and seeing what you can get, because this is just lovely. And everything in there will definitely get used. So final thing I want to share with you today comes from Crafty ishKristyn. over on YouTube. She is one of the fellow Paint with Friends members, and bless her, she was offering some of her, she had stickers made of her logo, and she was offering to send them to anyone that wanted one. So she sent me a little note saying, Arietta, thanks for watching and being my crafty peep. Stay cool and relax like BeeBeeCraft. So absolutely gorgeous. And here is Pippi. So cute. I love it. And then I got bonus stickers, extra little stickers as well, which is lovely. So I will of course link Kristyn's channel down below. Please, please, please do go head over there and support them as well, because what they are creating is fab, and I think it's really important for us to all as a community support each other as much as possible, not just the small businesses but the small channels, and I think it's really important that we support everybody. So I am very pleased with what I have received. So we've got Crafting Cat, we've got Crafty ishKristyn, and we've got Wish Designs. Please do go check them all out. I will ensure that I've got all the links down below. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing. If you know of any other small businesses you think I should check out, particularly if they're in the UK or offer free worldwide postage, that would be fab. You can always let me know down in the description or pop me an email. Okay, just before we finish up this video, I have another piece of mail that I wanted to share with you. So I thought I would tack it on the end of this video. So as some of you might know, I recently hit one of my YouTube milestones, and bless her, the lovely Dee at Maisie's Madhouse has sent me a little gift to congratulate me. So she says, a gift from Dee, Maisie's Madhouse. Congratulations on 3,000 watch hours. Knew you could do it. Onwards and upwards. Lots of love. You deserve it, from Dee. So I just wanted to say a big thank you to her. She has been one of my firmest supporters for the longest time. She is a valued Patreon member, and please do go check out her channel as well, because she is a growing creator herself. So this is the book that she got for me. It is Now She Is Witch by Kirsty Logan. I will just read you the back. So it says, this is a witch story unlike any other. Lux has lost everything when Elise finds her alone in the woods. Her family, her lover, her home, all burned. The world is suspicious of women like her, but Lux is cunning. She knows how to blend into the background, and she knows a lot about poisons. Elise needs Lux's help to destroy the man who wronged her. But on their hunt, they will uncover dark secrets that entangle them with dangerous adversaries. From the snowy winter woods to the bright midnight sun, from lost and powerless to finding your path, Now She Is Witch conjures a world where women grasp at power through witchcraft, sexuality and performance, and sometimes by throwing each other to the wolves. So, I don't know much about this. It was on someone else's recommended reading list, and I had popped it onto my to read list, and now I have a copy so I can actually read it. So yeah, I'm not sure when I will get to it. It feels kind of like a cozy autumnal read, but we will see. It is, what are we looking at here? 340 odd pages. So not the longest book, but still I want to be able to give it time and attention. I will be sure to feed back to you though when I am done. So just tacking this on the end here, thank you so much to Dee, and thank you to everybody who has sent me messages of support and congratulations for hitting the milestone. As promised, I will be running a competition. I just need to get a few ducks in a row first before we can do that, but I do want to celebrate with you all in the only way I know how, which is to give you things. So do stay tuned. Remember, hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload and you won't miss out. So thanks again to everybody, and until next time, stay crafty.